Here's a recipe for a delicious and aromatic brothy Thai curry with silken tofu and herbs. Brothy Thai curry with silken tofu and herbs. Ingredients. For the broth. 1. 1 can, 14 ounces, coconut milk. 2. 3 cups vegetable broth. 3. 2 tablespoons red curry paste. 4. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 5. 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, grated. 6. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 7. 1 lemongrass stalk, bruised and cut into pieces. 8. 2 kaffir lime leaves, if available. 9. 1 tablespoon brown sugar. For the tofu and vegetables. 1. 14 ounces silken tofu, cut into cubes. 2. 1 cup broccoli florets. 3. 1 carrot, thinly sliced. 4. 1 bell pepper, thinly sliced. 5. 1 zucchini, thinly sliced. 6. Handful of snow peas, trimmed. 7. 2 green onions, sliced, for garnish. For serving. 1. Cooked jasmine rice or rice noodles. 2. Fresh cilantro, chopped. 3. Fresh mint leaves, torn. 4. Lime wedges. Instructions. 1. Prepare the broth. 1. In a large pot, combine coconut milk, vegetable broth, red curry paste, soy sauce, grated ginger, minced garlic, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and brown sugar. 2. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes to infuse the flavors. 2. Add tofu and vegetables. 1. Add the silken tofu cubes, broccoli florets, sliced carrot, bell pepper, zucchini, and snow peas to the broth. 2. Simmer until the vegetables are tender crisp, about 5-7 minutes. 3. Adjust seasoning. 1. Taste the broth and adjust the seasoning by adding more soy sauce or brown sugar if needed. 4. Serve. 1. Remove the lemongrass stalk and kaffir lime leaves from the broth. 2. Serve the brothy Thai curry over cooked jasmine rice or rice noodles. 3. Garnish with sliced green onions, chopped cilantro, torn mint leaves, and lime wedges. 5. Enjoy. 1. Ladle the brothy Thai curry into bowls and enjoy this comforting and flavorful dish. Feel free to customize the vegetables and adjust the spiciness level by adding more or less red curry paste. This brothy Thai curry with silken tofu and herbs is a light yet satisfying dish perfect for a cozy meal.